how to turn on or turn off pin app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, go down and then tap on more security settings. In here, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on pin app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side. In here, once you turn it on, you can choose whether to turn on or switch off, ask for pin before unpinning. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now to use the feature, you can tap on the recent key, then go to the app that you want to pin, and then tap on the icon at the top. From the pop-up, tap on pin this app, and then tap on OK. So say here, to pin this app, touch the hold and the recent back key at the same time. So we touch on both keys to unpin it. And that's it. So that is how you can unpin the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.